Hello, something new for us. We're trying what? Pasta with cheese and honey. 150 pasta, cream, cooking cream, and honey. Maximum little bit salt. Tagliatelle. Yeah, first normal for 35 minutes. Cheddar cheese. Like this. 6 minutes maximum. Put the minimum. We have a minimum 200 in here. Induction. Not too much. For one person. Salt, something. I have balsamic. I will use like balsamic. I will try now. Yeah, exotic.
No.
No way. Again, honey, cheddar cheese, little bit salt in the water. What more? Balsamic.
And mint.
Yes, and mint. You will take like this, like carbonara, yeah?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. I think this will be something amazing for us.
Hot.
Cheese. Mix. Good. Yeah, like carbonara, yeah? Not vegan, but wouldn't like meat.
Are you sure about it?
Why not?
It's good.
Yes, really. Like some candy. Yeah. Right. Really.